What is going on, guys? It is Bobby Costin here with Your New Texas Home. Today we got a little surprise for you. If you see this beautiful home behind me, this is 5833 Grey Wolf Court. And guys, this home is like gonna blow your mind. It is 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, and almost 4,000 square feet. So I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's go check it out. Alrighty guys, welcome to the tour. Once again, this is 5833 Grey Wolf Court, and this is here in Fort Worth, Texas. This is a Mansfield Independent School District schools, and guys, look at this elevation. I love the board and batten, the black brick, beautiful black windows. This home just sticks out in all the best ways. And as you guys can see, you have this extra long driveway right here. And right here is going to be your third car garage. We'll go check that out here in a bit. But let's go ahead and start this tour on the inside. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's roosters crowing in the backyard, in the back. So as you guys see, you have this beautiful walk-in patio area with a ton of can lights, some floodlights, and these big iron doors. And of course, your boy forgot to unlock the door before. I was just here a minute ago and I locked the door so no one else will come in, but forgot to unlock it. So, when you guys walk in, you can tell already there's an echo, and you'll see why here in a second. So this is gonna be your kind of grand foyer looking area, and then you're gonna walk right into your main living space. And I'm a big fan of the floor to ceiling tile fireplace. I love the black. I'm a black person. Well, literally and figuratively, I like the color black. But also what I'm really a big fan of is they did this cathedral or vaulted ceiling, whatever you want to call it, a little differently. And they added the beams, instead of down the middle, they did it horizontally. And that's actually pretty crazy. I actually like it. It's different. But as you guys can see, massive, massive kitchen. Really beautiful cabinetry goes all the way up to the top. Plenty of accent lighting. Nice size island. I do like the lights, pendant lights. And of course you got some storage down here, which is pretty cool. Always gotta appreciate the extra storage, especially when you have an open kitchen like this. Of course you got this absolutely crazy massive, I think this is a Sub-Zero fridge, just wild. Probably fit about 3 of me in there. Really like the woodwork down here. Really appreciate it. It adds a little bit of extra pop to this whole kitchen. And then of course you have a pretty deep sink. And then you got the Z-line. It's like an 8-burner, freaking huge stove and oven. Over here, you have your dining area, some symmetrical windows that let in some nice natural light. So I guess we'll start over here first. Now over here on the right-hand side, you have your walk-in pantry. Plenty of space for all of your spices and all of your water bottles. And then over here, you have your pool bathroom, so I like to call it. It's just and it's a full bathroom. So you come off the backyard over here, you take a shower just straight from the pool. This is a nice floor to ceiling tile shower with a rain shower head and a wand, which is cool. Then you got your throne room over there, and then just some more storage and space over here, but that leads up to the backyard, which we'll go in a bit. So now, once again, you can just get a really good scale. I wish Monica was here, because if she was standing there, you guys would see how crazy big this whole living area is. Very open, and there's a lot of natural light coming in. Just really nice. That's why I have a huge echo. So we're gonna go down here. This is gonna be kind of like your secondary area where all the secondary bedrooms are, or at least most of them. Right over here off to the right-hand side, you have another secondary bedroom or bathroom. And then you have secondary bedroom uno, which is a nice size. natural light, big windows. And you have this walk-in closet over here, really decent size walk-in closet. Some storage, built-in shelves. And we have your other secondary bedroom over here. This one's a little bit more square, a little bigger. You see that nice driveway. This isn't a full walk-in closet. Just kind of have a couple of rods and some shelves there. And then right over here, you have your laundry, utility room, which goes to your, this actually goes outside to that driveway and you can walk across to the third car garage. But this room is pretty huge actually. Put your washer and dryer right there. Have a nice little wash sink. And you actually have a little mud room back here. Little mud area there. And then you come around here and you have some more storage if you want to keep all your laundry items and that good stuff, your detergent, laundry balls. All right guys, so now we're gonna make it over to the next wing of the house. As you guys can see, I really also enjoy that this is an actual fireplace. So there are 3 homes in this like kind of cul-de-sac that are for sale right now. By some good friends of ours, shout out to Laura and Zach. They're allowing me to tour this home. But one thing I love about this one is it actually has a real fireplace. So real, it's not wood burning. It is still kind of electric, but overall, like the other ones are just fully electric. So this one will actually put out some real heat. And then I love that you have some storage and cabinetry on that other side. It would be nice if they added some pendant lights up there, which would kind of just, or some shelves. So we'll start over here. As you guys can see, you have your office, study, nice double glass pane doors. Nothing too crazy, but gotta have it. You can take this hallway down here. Right over here on the right, got a little linen closet. Also kind of like your utility-ish closet where you can put your Wi-Fi box and whatnot. And you're gonna have 2 other rooms on this side. So here, you'll have a full bathroom. I love the floor to ceiling tiled showers, and I love that rain head. Really nice. Love the quartz countertops, the black fixtures. Another secondary bedroom with a full walk-in closet. Once again, big windows. This is probably the biggest of the secondary room closets, fully walk-in, plenty of storage space in there. And we're gonna go to this last secondary bedroom right over here. As you guys can see, this is a pretty nice room. Nothing too crazy, but it does have its own full bathroom, which is nice, with its own walk-in closet. So as you guys can see, once again, quartz countertops. Turn that back off. Got this really cool, like wood, black tile floor to ceiling with the drop shower. I really like this. Not a lot of people are gonna like this, but I'm not a lot of people. So, and then of course, another fully walk-in closet right there. All right guys, now let's go to the main star of the show. I promise you when you guys see this bedroom, I hope this camera does it justice because this thing is crazy. Also, you see that you have these 2 open sliding doors that go out to your backyard, and then you can see your full backyard. It's not really a full kitchen, it's more so like a grill setup, but you do have a wood burning fireplace out there, which is really nice. Now look, guys, you have your own private hallway to your primary. When you come off this hallway and you go in here, guys, this room is huge. This room has to be at least 25 by like 20 feet. It is massive. I love the drop ceiling. You have 4 very nice and let a ton of natural light windows. You even have this nice little kind of, I don't really know what you call it. It's kind of like a display cabinet area. I don't know. You guys might have a better name for it in the comments. I'm still working on my home jargon, but this is, you can tell how much room is in here just by the fact that they added this. Then you have another kind of private walkway corridor here over here to the left is your Huge primary closet with a ton of storage. Drop ceiling again. You put a nice big like shelf system right there or cabinet. You have even more built-in storage right over here. Like this is my wife's dream, I'm assuming. I probably only have like one little cubby over there. And then you have this massive ensuite, this huge vanity. You have a garden tub, and I love it when they smack it right in the middle. And I actually really like what they did here. Instead of just having the tile kind of go to the back of where the garden tub is, they had to go all the way across. It would have been nice maybe to make this window a little bit bigger, but hey, can't complain. You have another huge vanity over there for my guys. I don't know why we need that much space. I just got a toothbrush, some deodorant, the basics. And then you have a throne room in there, and then a very nice ducked off bat cave of a shower over here. Once again, floor to ceiling tiled shower. I love the stone kind of like little flooring. Also love the black fixtures with the wand and also the rain shower head. Really beautiful. All right, you guys, now let's run out to that backyard and check out that outdoor kitchen and that pool. All right, guys, opening up these sliding doors, and as you guys can see, you have this really nice outdoor grill setup, which is really cool. You got your cabinets over here for your storage, some propane storage down there, and then a nice 6-burner grill. It's beautiful. It's all wired. They've already pre-wired for speakers, so you got speaker systems up in the corner. And then right over here, you have your authentic wood burning fireplace, all bricked up. Pause. And then it is, of course, floor to ceiling, or it just kind of has that black color. So once again, I really like that black. And then guys, look at this backyard. It's really beautiful. Nice big 1 acre. Your acre is a little bit of a triangle shape, but it's really nice. Goes all the way to that back over there. And then, of course, you have a pool set up, which is really nice. Not a massive pool, but this is plenty to entertain. And this is a nice starting point too for you if you kind of, want to do some more with it or change it up a little bit. And then as you guys can kind of see over here, this driveway wraps all the way around. So you've got plenty of concrete. You need to move things. If you want to build a shed back here or an additional garage, plenty of space to do that. This house really kind of just prepped it all for you, just so you can kind of get started, get moved in, and kind of make it your own in the future. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for taking this tour with me. Once again, this is 5833 Grey Wolf Court in Fort Worth, Texas. This is Mansfield Independent School District, so one of the top school districts in the DFW. If you guys are interested in making the move to the DFW in the near future, in the next 6 months, 6 days, or 7, whatever, whenever you're thinking about moving, feel free to reach out to us. You can go ahead and text YT to the number down below, 214-444-3339. Other than that, we really appreciate you guys for watching this video. We hope you like it. Go ahead and leave us down in the comment what you would change about this home. If there's anything about this home that you would change, anything that you add, anything that you would take away, go ahead and put it down in the comments. Let's have a nice and good debate. And other than that, I really appreciate you guys for checking us out. Once again, I'm Bobby with the Your New Texas Home Team. I pray you guys have a wonderful day. I pray you guys can stay safe, and see you next time. Peace out.